Hello again. Here's my third video for today. Now we are trying to look at a processor and a hair through Olympus sz4045 microscope. So let's see how it looks through it. This microscope got very known resolution. A lot of people have seen through it. So let's see. We are coming to our 40x magnification to see a part. For comparison, we can look at the processor surface, and here our hair too. Not that bad actually. You can see a lot, but technically we got 2 and 5 times less resolution than the same of Nikon SMZ10 with Olympus DF-2X objective microscope set. So picture is nice looking, but as for me, resolution is surely not that much as it could. Thank you for watching this time. Here's our Olympus, and here's our objects. Bye bye.